So we are going to begin with the question number 1 of your cash book. So first, enter the following transaction in a single column cash book, and the date is given 2016 May 1st. So first of all, we will write the date here. If this is the year, these columns are here. First one is of your date and your particulars, PAR, then your voucher number. Voucher number is required for what? By which voucher that cash is coming to you and how you are paying that cash, that voucher. For example, suppose you have purchased the furniture, there should be a bill of that furniture. That bill is having a certain number, that number should be recorded here. In the same way, here ledger folio, we have already told you that this entry will go to the ledger. There, the page number of that ledger folio should be recorded here. And here you will have amount, that is of your amount. This is of your debit amount. It is what? Debit amount. So here amount and it is debit amount. It is clear? So whatever money we are going to receive, we will write this side. So इसका दूसरा नाम भी होता है, this is your receiving column. यहाँ पर आप समझ लीजिए, this is what RECEI, receiving column it is. It is clear? And after this broad line on that side, we have again, that is of your payment column. You have payment here, PAYMENT payment column, but here you have to write date, DAT, what date you are going to pay, particulars, PARTICULAR, particular. Then again voucher number, your ledger folio and amount, AMOUNT amount, and that is of your credit amount. It is clear? Now the first entry we have here, 2016 May 1st. Here we have 2016, your May 1st. We have here commence business with cash. That is, the cash is coming to the business. और जनरल एंट्री बनाएंगे तो क्या बनेगी? Cash to capital. So cash to capital means here you have to write that is of your 2CAPITAL capital account. And how much amount we have received here? 25,000. It is of what? Your 25. It is of your 25,000. Are you able to see last zero? Again, I will write it again. Otherwise, 2, 5, 0, 0 and 0. It is clear. 25,000 we have received. Now, bought for cash. सामान खरीदा. Bought goods for cash. इसका मतलब कैश आपके पास से जा रहा है. If the cash is going out of the business, it should be written in payment column. It is clear. That is of your date is clean. So here you can write it is your May 3rd by purchase, PURCHA, as in purchase account. By purchase account, it is what? 10,000. So here we will write your 10,000. It is clear? Clear? Sir, आपने bought बोला. It is written cash. It is written for cash. That means we have paid cash. Now the next is paid carriage. Carriage क्या होता है? भाड़ा. It is clear? So that is also, that is of your May 3rd. May 3rd. It is by carriage. किराया भरा बोलते हैं बेटा. CARRIAGE carriage account. It is of your how much? 200 rupees. So there we have 200 rupees. Now sold goods for cash. क्या होगा इसमें? इसका जर्नल क्या होगा? What will be the journal of this? Sold goods for cash. Cash to sales. Cash to sales. That means cash is coming to you. It is receiving.
Yes.
So it is what? Here you have to write the date. It is of your 4 to your sales account. It is debited and it will be of your 6,000 rupees. So it is what? Your 6,000 rupees. That is cash to sales. Again received from Ram. Ram has given you money. So here you have to write May. What date is given? 10 to Ram's account. How much we have received here? 1 lakh. 1,000. So it is what? 1,000. Now then paid to Shiv Kumar. So on May 12, here May 12 by your Shiv Kumar account. How much we have paid to him? 2,600. It is what? 2,600 we have paid. The Then cash sales. Again cash sales. That means cash to sales. So here we will have May. Here we will have May. Date is given 15 and it is to your sales account. And this is of your 8,400. 8,000 for cash for office. It is May 18. May 18. By what? Furniture. Furniture. FURNITURE furniture account. How much we have paid for that? 5,000. It is what? 5,000 we have paid. Again, paid for advertisement. Now May 20. It is what? May 20. By advertisement. Account. Your how much amount is there? 500. So what? That is of your 500. Now purchase goods from Mahesh on credit. Udhar credit. Should I record it? No sir. Because cash book is of what? Cash transactions. Only cash transactions are to be recorded in our cash. It is clear. Now the next entry we will say paid to Mahesh on 24. So it is of your. We will write here only 24. That is of your Mahesh by Mahesh account. How much it is of your? 4,000. So it is your 4,000. Mahesh 4,000. Then your paid wages. Again it is of your 25 and it is what? By WAGS wages. And it is of your what? Wages account. How much? 400. 400. Very good. Now next, received for commission. It is received. Commission can be received or commission can be paid. Both entries may be there. So received commission, that means we are getting money.
Yes.
So it should be coming receiving column. So it will be of your 27. That is of your May 27, and it is to commission account. Okay. CO MMI SSIO commission account. How much commission we have received? 1,500 we have received. It is of your 1,500. Then after withdrawal for personal use. Drawings. Withdrawal for personal use means drawing. Means cash is going out of the business. On what name? By drawings. So here we will write that is of your 28 date. By drawings. Yeah, by drawings account. How much he has taken? 2,200. 2,200. So it will be of your 2,200. And last is paid salary on 31st. So here we have 31st by salary. Salary account. And the amount is given 700. 700. Now what you have to do? You have to add all this here. Here you have to add all the things. So add it and tell me, let me know. Add करने से कितना balance आएगा? What balance you are going to see here? So it is total receipt we have here. And it is TOTAL RECEIPT total. How much it is? 15,900. 25. Wait. 8, 9, 10, 16, 16, 41,900, 16, 15, 30, 40, 1,500. It is your 41,900. 500 I think. 54,900. Okay. 41,900. The same amount you have to write here first. Why it is so? Because I told you that receiving is always be greater than your expenditure. Payment हमेशा कम होगा, receiving हमेशा ज्यादा होगा. तो इसमें से कितना पैसा खर्च कर दिया वो माइनस करने के बाद ही तो पता चलेगा कितना बचा है. It is clear? So whatever we have already paid, that we will add and write in rough area. It is clear? And we will keep this total on that side. So this total 41,900 we will write here first. सबसे पहले यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे 41,900. It is clear? 41,900 we will write here, and we will add all this. So if we will add this, then how much it will be? Of our 10,000, 10. Let it now 2, 10 and 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23,000 is separate. 23 separate, and then after we have here 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 19 and 7, 26. So how much? 26,600 this much, and earlier it was what? 2. पहले कितना था? Forget. 10, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Earlier it was of your 23,000. So the total we are having 25,600. Now you see, you were having 41,900 rupees and you have already paid 25,600 rupees. So how much you have in your pocket? That should be written here. It will be of yours by 31st and it will be of yours by balance or BALANCE, balance carried down. Carried down. CD means balance carried down. Once again, please look at concentrate here on both. This much amount you have received. कितने पैसे आपके पास आ गए पूरे महीने में, और पूरे महीने में आपने कितने खर्च कर दिए? 25 कर दिए ना, कितने किए खर्च? अब बचे कितने वो यहाँ लिखते हैं, तभी तो बैलेंस होगा। बैलेंस कैरी डाउन, इसका मतलब 41,900 में से आप 25,600 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए। आई एम गोइंग टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दैट, दैट इज ऑफ योर 41,900 subtract 26, how much it is? 300. See that 20, how much it is written? 25,
600.
5,600. So 300 will be here. 631. 16,300. Let me see what is the result here. 16,300. So it is your 16,300 you have in your pocket, and this amount is what? Balance. Carry down means we have calculated it here, and the balance will be go for the brought down for next month as a brought down and opening balance. So आप यहाँ पर अगले महीने की 1 तारीख को मई के बाद JU यानी जून 1 को लिख सकते हैं टू बैलेंस BALANCE बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन। जो यहाँ के महीने की 30 तारीख को हमारे जेब में 16,600 रुपए थे, तो अगले दिन सुबह को भी 16,600 ही होंगे ना, लेकिन आज 31st की नाइट को वो कैरी डाउन बैलेंस है क्योंकि हमने उसे कैलकुलेट करके निकाला है, और दूसरे दिन सुबह का वो कौन सा बैलेंस हो जाएगा? ब्रॉड डाउन। हमने वो अमाउंट यहाँ पर ब्रॉड डाउन कर दिया। तो यहाँ पर कितना आना चाहिए? 16,300 एंट्री आनी चाहिए। नाउ यू कैन नोट इट डाउन।